Assalamualaikum. Today we create action listener behind the button. So for this we go to design interface, then double click on add product button. When we double click on this, it automatically create its action listener. So this is created here. After this we add a function, add product function here, that I have already created. Now just copy and paste here. Okay, just change its name. Oh. Sorry, I forgot database connection in this file. So after this we also add database connection in the management class. First change its name, variable name, text field name, which we call in our database, and similarly we also change the price label. Okay, after this we add our database connection in management class. J option means it will display a dialog box, either our database is created or not. If the database is connected successfully, then it will display in a message in dialog box that database connection is successfully created. Otherwise it shows database failed to connect. Okay, let's execute our project. It's working properly or not. We got some errors. Okay, first we forgot the button name change. Okay, now again execute. Database connect successfully. Now we add a product to check add product function button. Here will be text and here will be integer. Database added successfully. In next lecture we add delete and fetch product functions behind these buttons. Delete button